Okay, this is the question related with the translation. Let me first read the question. Here the question is a quadrilateral ABCD. The name of the quadrilateral is here ABCD. It has the vertices. The quadrilateral always has the vertices, 4 vertices. Okay, and here the vertices are given. Vertex A is 8, 8. Vertex B is 12, 12, and the vertex C is 8, 12, and the vertex D is 0, 12. Here the measurements are so much here large. Okay, अब यो तिमीले ग्राफमा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम 12 यस्तो यस्तो छ के. Hey, so let me just a little bit zoom out this graph. Okay, okay, here this is our graph, and here all the numbers are positive numbers, so this object will be formed in the first quadrant. Either सबै positive छ, so the object will be formed in the first quadrant. Okay, let me little bit zoom out. Okay, here the question seems very here the little. Okay, let me just little bit enlarge this size. तिमीहरुले चाहिँ यस्तो गर्ने, यो ठुलो ठुलो number, if the measurements are so much large, then you can reduce the this graph size. Okay, graph लाई के गर्ने भन्दा 2, 4, 8 यस्तो गर्दै पनि हुन्छ है त. Or you can take the 4 units for one box. है एउटा box लाई 4 suppose गरे पनि हुन्छ है. 4 लियो भने सबै will be covered here. 8, 12 and all will be covered. Okay, hey, त्यसरी you can reduce the size of the graph also. You can take one box equals to 4 unit भनेर लिए पनि हुन्छ, अथवा 2 unit है. त्यो एकदमै अब यहाँ 1, 2 गरेर गयो भने the graph will be very large. Okay, so we can reduce the size of the box. Okay, okay, first of all let's plot this point A, which is 8, 8. Okay, let me plot the point A. And here, my dear students, in the GeoGebra, it is here the point A is already taken here, point A and B. So we cannot give the name again A. Let me just rename it as a point X. Just the A र B पहिले आइसकेको छ नि, फेरि अब मैले A र B बनाउन सकिदैन के. So here I just name this point as the A, sorry, X, Y. Hey, because in our questions here is point A to be shown. Okay, let me just plot this point A first. Okay, which is 8, 8. Okay, let's find out the point 8, 8. Okay, this is the point A, and the next point is Khushi. What is the coordinate of point B?
12, 12.
12, 12. Okay, here the 12 and here vertically 12. Okay, this is point B, and the next point C. What is the coordinate of point C, Mr. Subhas? Mr. Subhas, what is the coordinate of point C?
Yes, sir. 12, 12.
Point C. Okay, I'm asking about the point C. What is the coordinate of point C?
Point C, 8, 12.
8, 12. Okay, let me mark the point 8, 12 here. This is point C.
C.
Here some students are coming. Just a moment. Let me admit to them. And the next point is D, which is 0, 12. And 0 means the first number is here 0, so that point will lies on the y-axis. Hey, अगाडिको number 0 छ भने यो y-axis मा खोज्ने. Hey, in y-axis 12. Okay, and this point is just the point D. Let me connect these all. Okay, and here this is quadrilateral or triangle. It is the quadrilateral should have the 4 sides, but here this figure has how many sides here?
4.
It has how many sides here? Please count.
4 sides.
It has 4 sides, but here the it looks like it has 3 sides.
Triangle.
Hey, एउटै side के छ भन्दा यसमा यस्तो भएछ के, this is one side and here the next side. त्यो एउटैमा परेछ सो इट लुक्स लाइक ट्रायंगल है फेरि क्वाड्रिलेटरल भएन नभन्ने
Okay, sir.
Okay, just a moment here. Let me use the different color to each side here. Okay, let me use the segment tool. म तिमीलाई यसमा डिफरेन्ट कलरै देखाइदिन्छु है त and let me hide this quadrilateral. Okay, here I am changing the color so that it would be very clear. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's take the next. Okay, black. Okay. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. It has the four sides. These are the sides. Let me hide this label. Here the name F R. These are not necessary to show here. Let me turn off. Okay, this is a quadrilateral A B C D. We are just going to do the translation for this quadrilateral, and here the translation vector is given 4 unit right and 5 unit up. Okay, first of all, let me take 1 point A, and here according to the translation vector we have to do just shifting, and here the translation vector is 4 5 4 unit right. Okay, let's go 4 unit, and this is how much unit? One box equals to here how much unit?
2.
Here 2 unit. Okay, 2. This is 2 unit and this is 2 unit. तिमीले अब यो बक्सलाई हेर त सानो बनाएछ यसमा एउटा बक्सलाई 2 unit. Here we just count the one box equals 2 units, so we have to go only 2 unit to make the 4 unit right. Okay, and then 5 unit. Okay, 5 unit. 1, this is 2 unit, this is 4 unit and 5. And here precisely नै गर्ने हो भने यो सानो बक्सहरु पनि काउन्ट गर्ने. यसमा सानो सानो बक्सहरु कतिहरु छ? How many small boxes here?
So गाह्रो होला गर्न त त्यति धेरै
Hey, अब तिमीले एउटा लिदिने यसमा. Okay, let's take one more point. Here this is 2 to 4, and let's take one here. This is 5. Okay, है त हामीले कतिवटा यसमा पनि हेर्ने सबैलाई एउटै गर्नुपर्छ. Let me little bit zoom in here. Okay, let me यसमा कतिवटा सानो बक्सलाई दुईवटा सानो बक्सलाई एक मान्दैछ है यसमा है. यसरी अरूलाई पनि त्यही गर्ने.
Yes sir.
Okay, similarly we can do for the others point, and this path, this connecting line should be dotted. This is very important point to be remembered. Okay, and its name is, this corresponding vertex is just the vertex, I think it is A prime.
5.
Okay, here the location, this is the location of A dash. Okay, and similarly we can find out the point B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, let's take the point B, and we have to go how much unit? 4 unit right and 5 unit up. 1, 2 and 2 boxes. Okay, this is point, this is just the point B prime, B dash, and let me.
Sir, यो सानो बक्स काउन्ट गरेपछि त पिक्चर नै सानो बनाउनु पर्ने हैन र?
के भनेछ प्रितमले?
सर के रे यो सानो डब्बाहरु युज गरेपछि के अनि त यो पिक्चर नै सानो गर्न पर्दैन र?
अनि यस्तो हो के पिक्चर सानो
एउटा
भन्दा
बक्सलाई
पनि
2
पिक्चर त
लिनु
अब
हो.
यही अनुसार डिपेन्ड हुन्छ के, बुझ्यौ? यही हाम्रो युनिट अनुसार कत्रो बक्सलाई कति मानेछ त्यो अनुसार यो साइज, यो पिक्चरको साइज सानो ठुलो हुन्छ. जस्तै तिमीले यसमा 1, 2 युनिटहरु लिएको भए है, यो ठुलो ठुलो यो बक्सलाई, एउटा बक्सलाई 1 युनिट सपोज गरेको भए यो अलिकति ठुलो हुँदै के ट्रायंगल है. यो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है
Yes, sir.
तिमीले अब यसमा 1 2 गर्दै गर्दै गयो भने तिमीलाई धेरै ग्राफ चाहिन्छ के वी नीड मोर ग्राफ सो वी क्यान रिड्युस द साइज जब तिमीले पछि पढ्छ यु विल लर्न इन द स्केलिङ एन्ड ड्रइङ भन्ने हुन्छ कि जब तिमीहरूलाई धेरै ठुलो ठुलो जस्तै 40 किलोमिटर बना भने कपीमा 40 किलोमिटर 60 किलोमिटर भन्ने हुन्छ कि जति हामीले 40 किलोमिटर बनाएर त सकिँदैन कपीमा त्यसलाई वी क्यान रिड्युस द साइज जस्ट बाइ स्केलिङ द्याट इज कल्ड द स्केलिङ सो वी क्यान रिड्युस द साइज हियर है त्यसरी आफैले लिन पनि मिल्छ एउटा बक्सलाई कति युनिट मान्ने मैले त्यही भएर चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई यता इन्डेक्समा एउटा बक्स भनेको कति युनिट हो भनेर जहिले पनि लेख्नुपर्छ भनेको कारण चाहिँ त्यो के है
Okay, sir.
त्यो फेरि अब तिमीले सधैँ एउटा बक्स 1 युनिट हुन्छ भन्ने हुँदैन दिस इज अकर्डिङ टु द ओके मेकर है यो बनाउने मान्छे अनुसार चाहिँ हुन्छ है त
Okay, sir.
okay let me give the here the dotted path this is b dash and similarly we can mark the point c dash and d dash hey okay doing the same thing hey, all the forces are very same let's take the point c and let's go to the 4 unit right and then 5 unit up okay this is point c prime and this path are called as the path of the translation and that should be dotted okay and finally let's do for the point d and let's find out the point d dash okay from d we have to go 4 unit right and then how much unit 5 unit up okay let me a little bit drag this file a little bit down just a moment okay let's mark the point d dash from d we have to go 4 unit right and then 5 unit up okay and it's this point name is just it is the image of the point d so it is d prime and the path should be dotted okay here finally we obtain the point a dash b dash c dash and d dash all okay let's connect them to make the image quadrilateral hey the joining process is just observing on the object in object from a to b a object ma a bata b gaecha bhane in image we have to move from a dash to b dash and in object here the movement is from b to c so in image from b dash to c dash to d dash and d dash to again a dash we have to just connect this image vertex just by observing on the object okay I will provide the another color for this image quadrilateral a dash to b dash and like this okay okay this shaded portion is representing here is the image quadrilateral okay here the two sides aligned on the same direction so it looks like the triangle okay this is the final answer and finally we have to write down the coordinate of a dash coordinate of b dash coordinate of c dash and coordinate of d dash यो जहिले पनि लेख्ने ट्रान्सफर्मेसन गर्दाखेरि we need the image coordinates okay the coordinates of the image vertex
सर अन्त इमेज कोअर्डिनेट तलैबाट लेख्ने हो कि यो अब्जेक्टबाट लेख्नु
okay not from object है very good question है यो क्वेशन कसले सोधेको मलाई
सर
ईशान्त very good very nice question है यो हामीले जस्तै इमेजको जस्तै यो कोअर्डिनेट छ a ड्याश को कोअर्डिनेट यो कोअर्डिनेट निकाल्दाखेरि यहाँबाट लिने a बाट काउन्ट गर्ने हो कि कहाँबाट काउन्ट गर्ने भनेर उले क्वेशन सोधेछ my dear students we in the whole graph okay in this whole graph we have to always measure from this origin So this origin is just called the starting point. है जहिले पनि हामीले काउन्ट गर्ने यो पोइन्टहरुको कोर्डिनेट निकाल्ने जस्तै हामीले यो ए को लागि है म यसरी भन्दै छु ए को जुन यो ए को पोइन्ट छ ए को पोइन्ट कति थियो रे यो 8,8 थियो है दिस इज विथ रेस्पेक्ट टु दिस ओरिजिन है ओरिजिन को रेस्पेक्ट मा हो जस्तै तिमीहरुलाई 2 किलोमिटर जाऊ मात्र भन्यो भने कहाँबाट जाने भन्ने कुरा सोच नि तिमीले फ्रम वेयर भन्छ के तिमीले ए 2 किलोमिटर जाऊ मात्र भन्यो भने दैट इज इनसफिसिएन्ट स्टेटमेन्ट. So you have to ask the from where. So here we measured this A, B, C, and D all from this origin. So the origin is called the starting point. Hey, so my dear students, in image also we have to measure from the origin. Hey, origin बाटै गर्ने है त origin बाट count गर्ने. Okay, let's count for this point A dash from origin. Hey, origin बाट count गर्ने A dash को लागि. Okay. Here the some students are coming. Region Adhikari is now coming. It's just the A dash. It is 12 unit. Okay, 12 unit, and it is how much unit of 12 and here is 12 13. Okay, 12 comma 13. यो सानो बक्सलाई हामी दुईवटालाई एउटा 1 मानेछ के माथि चाहिँ है
सर 18 छ C dash.
Okay. Okay, similarly you can find out the coordinate of the others B dash, C dash, and D dash. Okay, and the one very shortcut trick to find the coordinate of the image is म तिमीलाई यो इमेज कोर्डिनेट को इमेज कसरी निकाल्ने भन्ने कुरा म जस्ट बाइ अब्जर्भिङ अन द गिवन क्वेशन मै दिए अनुसार कसरी निकाल्ने डाइरेक्टली भन्ने कुरा पनि सिकाइदिन्छु है त जति यो क्वेशनमा ए यो क्वेशनमा ओके लेट मी जस्ट टेक द एनोटेसन टुल हियर है म एनोटेसन बाट गर्दिन्छु यहाँ जस्ट अ मोमेन्ट. Yeah, A is the coordinate of the A is 8,8 है यो अगाडिको 8 लाई यो भेक्टरको अगाडिको नम्बरसँग प्लस गर्ने है अनि यो पछाडीको नम्बरलाई भेक्टरको पछाडीको नम्बरसँग प्लस गर्ने है जस्तै यो 8 + 4 गर्यो भने कति भयो 12 है फर्स्ट नम्बर कति भयो A dash the x component of the A dash will be 12 8 + 4 and the y component or we can say y coordinate is just 8 + 5 13. So the coordinate of A dash will be 8, 13. Do you understand? You can directly find out. We can directly find out the coordinate of A dash without plotting on the graph. है ग्राफमा प्लट नगरिकन पनि डाइरेक्टली गर्न मिल्छ है र एउटा कुरा जस्तै यो 4 युनिट राइट भएछ है जस्तै यसमा त अहिले भेक्टरै दिएछ केही समस्या भने यस्तो स्टेटमेन्टमा दिएछ भने या त 4 युनिट राइट भएर यो +4 लिएको जस्तै यसमा लेफ्ट भनेको भए -4 लिनु पर्थ्यो है 8 अनि -4 हुन्थ्यो के यो यसमा जे साइन छ यो भेक्टरमा इन भेक्टर जे साइन छ त्यही साइन अपरेट गर्ने है त जस्तै यसमा 4 युनिट लेफ्ट भनेको भए -4 हुन्थ्यो यसमा अनि A dash को कोर्डिनेट के हुन्थ्यो 8 - 4 8 + 5 हुन्थ्यो के. Do you understand?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Of just calculating the coordinate of the image without plotting on the graph. Directly we can find out the location of the image in the translation. Just adding the corresponding component. Hey, अगाडिकोसँग प्लस गर्ने पछाडिकोलाई पछाडिकोसँग प्लस गर्ने. That will be the coordinate of the image vertex. Okay, this is trick. है यसरी पनि चेक you can verify your answers like this. है यसरी पनि तिमीले भेरिफाई गर्न सक्छ. Okay, and you have to give the arrow from object to image. Okay, this is A B C D is object, and from object to image we have to give the arrow on the path of the translation. This is object, this is image, and these dotted path are the path of the translation. And you have to give the index here, one corner index, one box equals to 2 unit. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. I hope you all understand. You all learn the more informations how to do the translations by the basic concept on the graph. Are you all understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your face, please, all of you, please turn on your video. I want to see your face. Okay. Mr. Pritam, what are you doing there? Are you writing? Mr. Pritam.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pritam is writing. है सबैभन्दा
Yes,
छिटो
sir.
होमवर्क बुझाउने भनेको प्रितम है प्रितमले त अहिले एकैछिन भने नि अहिले एकछिनपछि मैले अपलोड गर्ने बित्तिकै पठाइदिइहाल्छ होमवर्क एकदम टाढो छ है प्रितम
सर आज त ग्राफ कपी भ्याइयो अलि पेर लाउँछ
एकदम
अहिले त
राम्रो
होमवर्क
गरिरहेछ है
धेरै हो हाम्रो त
छ अब त्यसलाई चाहिँ गर्ने है त इक्जाम पछिसम्म बुझाए हुन्छ एकदम राम्रो गर्ने बुझ्नु पर्यो है त बुझेर एकदम पढ्नुपर्छ म्याथमेटिक्स इज अल अबाउट द अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ नट जस्ट त्यो घोक्ने मात्र होइन है mathematics is not only the memorizing, it is about the understanding by basic concept. त्यही भएर म्याथमा प्रोब्लमहरु गर्दाखेरि सकेसम्म we have to use the basic rule. Okay, you all are here paying the attentions very well. Okay, okay. Let me go back to the PDF of your textbook, and I will give the homework for you. Okay, homework today's homework is question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, question number 3, 4 and 5 also all are very similar question. 3, 4 and 5. I will upload the homework in the Google Classroom. You have to submit your homework in that corresponding in that respective folder. First of all, you have to see the what is the name of the folder. Folder what is the instruction there, and then you have to only submit there. जस्तै अर्कोको होमवर्क अरू टपिकको होमवर्क चाहिँ फेरि यो ट्रान्सलेसनमा ल्याएर चाहिँ पोस्ट नगर्दिने है त Okay, this is all about the homework, and we will meet in our next class, my dear students. All of you have a very good day, and please keep learning. This much for today. Thank you, all of you.